Have you ever started laughing just because someone else was laughing? Even when you had absolutely no idea what was funny? It sounds strange, but your brain might be doing something incredible. And the reason could explain why laughter spreads from person to person faster than almost anything else. At first, you try not to laugh. You know that feeling. Someone nearby starts laughing and suddenly you're fighting a smile. But here's the weird part. Your brain is already starting to copy what it sees. And then it happens. You start laughing too, even if you still don't know what was funny in the first place. Scientists call this contagious laughter. It's one of the fastest ways emotions can spread from one person to another. In fact, hearing someone laugh can activate parts of your brain before you even decide how to react. So why does this happen? Scientists call it contagious laughter. When you hear someone laughing, your brain pays attention automatically. In fact, certain brain cells may help you copy what other people are doing. It's one reason laughter can spread through an entire room in just a few seconds. The secret may be hidden inside your brain. When you see someone laughing, your brain doesn't just watch, it starts reacting. Scientists think special brain cells help us copy the actions and emotions of the people around us. That's one reason laughter can spread so quickly from person to person. And laughter doesn't just spread between two people, it can spread through an entire group. One person laughs, then another, then another. Before long, everyone is laughing, even our little turtle friend over here. Okay, turtles don't actually catch laughter like humans do, but it sure looks funny, doesn't it? And laughter gets even stranger. Some people have actually laughed while they are asleep. That's right, scientists have recorded people laughing during dreams without even waking up. Imagine hearing someone giggling in the middle of the night and finding out they're still completely asleep. Researchers are still trying to understand exactly why this happens, but one thing is clear, our brains can be surprisingly funny places. Laughter is one of the most contagious things humans do. In fact, we're up to 30 times more likely to laugh when we're with other people than when we're alone. That's because our brains are wired to respond to the sounds and expressions of others. When someone laughs, our brain pays attention. Scientists think contagious laughter may have helped our ancestors build stronger social bonds. Long before phones, television, or even written language, people gathered together, shared stories, and laughed around campfires. Laughter helped groups feel connected, safe, and united, and it still does today. Scientists are still studying why we laugh, but one thing is clear, laughter affects many different parts of the brain at the same time. That's one reason laughter can feel so powerful. It can change our mood, reduce stress, and help us feel more connected to other people. Scientists still don't fully understand why humans laugh, but they do know that laughter is a powerful form of communication. A single laugh can instantly share emotions with the people around us. Sometimes it can even say more than words. Laughter is surprisingly complicated. When you laugh, many different parts of your brain become active at the same time. Some parts help you understand what's funny, other process emotions and social signals. That's one reason laughter can feel so natural and powerful. Your brain is doing a lot more work than you think. Here's a joke for you. Why did the banana go to the doctor? Because it wasn't peeling well. Sorry, banana. That joke was a little rotten. Have you ever tried really hard not to laugh? Maybe you're in class, maybe you're supposed to be quiet, but the harder you try to hold it in, the funnier everything seems to become. And once one person starts laughing, it's usually game over. Not everything that makes us laugh is a joke. Sometimes it's just something unexpected, like a dog wearing sunglasses, a bow tie, and giant rain boots. Why is that funny? Nobody really knows, but somehow it just is. And sometimes things are funny for absolutely no reason at all. Take this llama, for example. It's wearing sunglasses, a party hat, and somehow riding a skateboard. Does that make sense? Not really, but it still makes us smile. Laughter isn't always about what's happening right now. Sometimes it's a memory that makes us smile. An old photo, a funny moment, or something so embarrassing that it becomes hilarious years later. And somehow, those memories never stop making us laugh. Scientists are still learning exactly why humans laugh, but one thing is certain. Laughter helps us connect with each other. It can brighten a day, strengthen friendships, and make life a little more fun. So the next time you laugh, enjoy it. your brain is doing something pretty amazing.